Hey guys, so today I will be showing you a DIY curry leaves and malunggay hair treatment for faster hair growth. And also this is great to use if you want to grow more baby hairs, if your hairline is receding. And also this is such a great treatment for dandruff. Alright, so let's get started. So this is my curry plant that I'm growing in my garden, and now I'm using this because the curry leaves can speed up hair growth by restoring the health of your scalp. It can open up clogged hair follicles in the scalp, so this allows them to breathe better. And the vitamin B in the curry leaves strengthens the roots of the hair, and it is also rich in antioxidants, amino acid, beta-carotene, and protein content, which are all great for preventing hair loss and thinning of hair, and it also strengthens the hair fiber. Now the next one that I'm using is malunggay. Now malunggay is packed with amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids that promote a healthy scalp and better hair growth. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, C, E, iron, zinc, silica, that are all great for growing a healthy long hair. And lastly, of course, I will use VCO, but you can use whatever oils that you like. But I'm using this oil because the vitamins and the fatty acids in coconut oil help nourish your scalp and penetrates the cuticles of your hair. So coconut oil will definitely help your hair grow healthier, thicker, and longer. Plus, this is also great for conditioning the scalp. So first, I will wash the leaves just to make sure that they're clean. And after that, I will put them in the blender. And I will do the exact same thing with the malunggay leaves later. So from there, I will add in water, about that much, just enough so that I can easily blend and purge out the juice from the curry and the malunggay leaves later. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend it / puree it. And after that, I'm going to filter the juice of the malunggay and curry leaves, and this is what it looks like. Now you want it in this consistency, and you can actually use this as is if you want to, especially if you're going to use this as a rinse or a mask. But since we're making this into an oil, I will use the double boiling method because I don't want it to experience direct heat. So in a bowl, I will add in the VCO in there and then add in the juice that we extracted. And also you can use the paste of the curry and malunggay leaves as well, and then let that marinate for about 30 minutes. And that's what it looks like after 30 minutes. And then I just allowed it to cool down for about 2 hours before filtering the curry and the malunggay leaves bits, just to get the oil alone. So as you guys can see here, I'm letting the oil drip to get the curry in the malunggay leaves oil. So I will transfer it in this container right here, and this is what it looks like. So if your aim is to grow more baby hair and grow your receding hairline, then apply it directly onto that area. You can also apply this all over your hair if you want to. And I will be completely honest with you, this does not smell the best. It doesn't smell horrible, but it smells very herbally. I'm not so sure if I'm explaining that right, but it really works well in keeping your scalp healthy, especially if you have itchy scalp, and it helps you grow your hair. And my hair and my scalp always feel super clean and hydrated after using this. So I will leave that on my hair for 30 minutes and then wash it off with my shampoo. Now the shelf life of this, by the way, is 2 weeks max, so I suggest making just enough just so that you don't end up wasting it. And it's always good to use this fresh. This is one of my favorite DIYs right now that I'm using on my hair, just because number one, it's great for keeping my scalp healthy, which is very important if you want to grow healthy long hair. And also it has a lot of hair growth benefits, and it speeds up your hair growth. And the coconut oil in here just makes the top of my hair and my scalp very smooth and hydrated. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!